How to serve divorce papers in San Bernardino County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you filed for divorce in San Bernardino County, the next critical step is serving your spouse with the divorce papers, and doing it properly is essential to keep your case moving forward. After filing your petition and summons, your spouse must be officially notified. This is called service of process, and the court won't proceed with your case until it's done correctly. If your spouse is cooperative, the easiest method is mailing the paperwork with a notice of acknowledgement and receipt, NAR. They sign and return it, and then you file it with the court. This avoids personal service and keeps things simple. If they're not cooperative, personal service is required. That means someone over 18, who isn't you, must hand deliver the documents. This could be a friend, family member, or professional process server. After service, you'll file a proof of service of summons with the court. We recently helped a client in San Bernardino who thought emailing the forms to their spouse was enough. Unfortunately, the court rejected the case because there was no valid proof of service. We stepped in, handled proper service, and got things back on track quickly. At Divorce 661, we take care of the entire service process, whether your spouse is cooperative or not. We ensure everything is done by the book, so your divorce stays on schedule. If you filed for divorce in San Bernardino County and need help with serving your spouse, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll make sure this important step is done right so your case doesn't get delayed.